When a narcissist realizes they've lost someone who truly cared for them, it often comes as a shock to their ego. They tend to view people as interchangeable, like objects that can be replaced when worn out. However, they fail to understand the unique value of someone who genuinely cared for them, someone who sacrificed and gave their all to the relationship. When that person reaches their breaking point and decides to walk away, the narcissist is left facing the reality that this kind of connection is not something they can easily replicate. Narcissists rarely consider the long-term impact of their behavior. They see others as tools to meet their needs, completely ignoring the emotional damage they inflict. Their lack of empathy allows them to disregard how their words and actions affect those around them. Over time, their selfish tendencies drive people away, but they don't notice the cumulative effect until it's too late. They often assume they can replace anyone who leaves, but this belief is rooted in their fantasy of endless options, not in reality. This illusion of abundance eventually shatters. Narcissists often seek people who are submissive and willing to absorb their negativity without question, but such individuals are rare. Even when they manage to attract new people, those individuals quickly recognize the toxic dynamics and distance themselves. This leaves the narcissist struggling to maintain the steady supply they need to feed their ego. They are forced to confront the painful truth that their entitlement and inflated sense of self-worth don't guarantee loyalty or admiration from others. As narcissists attempt to fill the void, they may rely on temporary solutions, such as jumping from one relationship to another or engaging in casual encounters. While these tactics provide short-term validation, they fail to satisfy the deeper emotional needs that a committed, supportive partner once fulfilled. Over time, the narcissist begins to realize that fleeting connections cannot replace the stability and care of someone who truly stood by them. Unfortunately for them, their inability to nurture a healthy, reciprocal relationship makes it nearly impossible to hold on to such a person. In the aftermath of a loss, narcissists often try to mask their struggle by projecting an image of happiness. They may flaunt new relationships or curate a facade of contentment on social media. However, this is usually a manipulation tactic designed to make the person they lost feel insignificant or replaceable. Beneath the surface, the narcissist is grappling with the emptiness and the growing awareness that their behavior has left them isolated. For those who have broken free from a narcissist, it's important to recognize these dynamics. The narcissist's attempts to appear unaffected or make you feel replaceable are part of their strategy to maintain control. Understanding this can help you rebuild your self-worth and move forward with confidence. The narcissist's struggle to cope with their loss is not your burden to bear. Choosing to prioritize your own well-being and seeking healthier relationships is the best way to heal and thrive.